Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Alright, yeah, we're heading now. Oh, hopefully we're not too late. We're supposed to be here by 9. Singer is supposed to be here by 9 to check in. It's like, you can't see it, but it's 9:16 right now, and I hope we can still check in. If anything, luckily the line's not too long, so we were able to get through fast. So surprisingly, we thought we were late. They said check-ins for seniors at 9, but apparently like we're the first 2 people to come check in and for dancing. So right now we're just sitting and waiting in the main tent, and there's not a lot of people yet, but it's good to be here early because the line is not long, but the food lane's still long, for that's questionable. So if anything.
He will be in the singing competition, so come support him and give him all his love.
Try to promote me, yeah. So right now we're gonna get aqua.
Yep. Come support me.
That line though, I'm not kidding y'all. Actually, I wasn't kidding when I said the food line is so long. Look at this line. My sister and I are done with our singing competition for now, and we're just killing time with these peeps. It's cold because it's windy.
I like the weather.
She likes the weather.
I like the weather. In the car. Wait, watch me do slow mo.
That's not it.
Windy. Let's go. Look, my lashes is hanging on their life. The thread though. We're gonna go soccer. Yeah.
How are you feeling?
Very tired.
Tired?
Yes.
Yes. I'm tired.
I want to go home.
I want to go home too.
In the back.
Lastly, top 3 is
Hai cái đó cái thứ khó mà đi sai thiệt từ top 3 yang lên từ
We made it to the car. I'm exhausted. I want to go home. Never again come back here. Just kidding. But yeah, I miss my bed. I really want to go back home and sleep on my bed and tell y'all all my experience of today and all the whole event overall, the second day. So look forward to it. I get back to y'all soon. Yeah, home sweet home. I miss my bed. My bed misses me too. I'm tired. Right now it's like 11, so I'm gonna hit the shower and then hopefully do my full review session for the end of this vlog. So I'll see y'all later then. Okay, so welcome back. Sorry that took a long time because I was eating and then having like talk with my siblings and stuff, but right now it's like 1:44. It's almost like 2. I'm a little tired, but I still want to get this story ending for the vlog. So first of all, to recap of what happened from morning till now, I woke up pretty fine. I didn't wake up as bad as I did on the first day. I was able to do warm-ups, you know, to warm up my voice, because like I said, singers don't sing at 10 a.m. in the morning, okay? They sing around noon or around evening. That's when they bring out like the best quality and tone of their voice and power. So if anything, yes, I was a little scared if I wasn't able to like the quality of my voice and tone, because it was like so early and my voice just wouldn't come out, okay? So I had to like warm up a lot by singing a lot of different songs and do like vocal warm-ups, like humming and stuff. But other than that, my sister, we thought we were late because they told her that singers had to come check like at 9 a.m. So we got there around like 9:50ish, but surprisingly we were like the first one who to check in for singers. And I was like, okay, I guess we're not late. People just like won't time me and stuff. Yeah, so other than that, I wasn't nervous at all. I was just like ready to get this thing going on so I can just go on with my day. So I did. So I got up there, do my thing, and then just go explore everywhere with my cousin and my sister. The announcement took a long time for some reason. Oddly reason, I don't know why. I was getting a little tired again. I was a little bored. Hype up the vibe in the mood, so that they suggest the DJ to put some like upbeat songs for us all to dance, and that's what they did. And then they invited all the singers on the backstage to go onto the stage and dance. Invited all the dancers, to come up and dance, and that's what we all did. I think that's like the highlight of my day of this event. Being to dance, because I haven't danced for a long time, and just being able to move my body, whatever they're doing, and doing the dance steps, it was a very good feeling for me to be able to move my body again like that. To see such a crowd, being happy and lively, dancing together, yeah, it was a good mood. The announcement: who are the top threes for the top three singers? Drum roll. Not me, Sally, unfortunately, not me. Which is quite unfortunate. But the good news is that my little sister got in 3rd place, which is better than nothing. Although my friend told me that I'm also competing with my sister, but I said that I hope at least one of us get a place, and he was hoping that at least for the both of us to get a place, but unfortunately that didn't happen. But yeah, I'm glad that my sister got in 3rd place. I don't know what went wrong, to be honest, me personally. I guess it could be because of the song choices, that maybe it didn't bring too much of my potential of my voice, maybe that's why. Or it could be because of the mics and stereo sound from the speakers, because things sounds different, okay? Like things sounds different when they were being recorded on the camera or on live, or being here in person. But I think hearing in person sounds much better. But also know the difference that there's different sound. You hear different things when you're on stage and you're from like on the audience side, because on stage I hear things very loud and clear. Like I can hear my high notes and low notes very perfectly, but in the audience they hear something else, okay? They probably hear like I went sharp, or probably a little flat, or a little off pitch or something like that. But that's what they kind of hear. Or if I'm not loud enough, because on stage I feel like if I'm being too loud, I'm loud, okay? But on the audience they might think that it's too low, so you have to sing louder. But we hear all differences, so I guess there are pros and cons about it. But we all heard the top three. Yeah, it was a lot of unexpected things happened, but other than that, and then the dance team, yes, a lot of like unexpected results too. But congratulate for all the winners. You all deserve what y'all earned it. If anything, like I said on my previous vlog, I don't hold anything personally, because giving a fact check, like we don't have a lot of Hmong experts with like musical backgrounds within the music industry. Just because you grew up at the age of 5 or 10, forming a band from like friends and family, to me that doesn't mean that you're like an expert. Just my opinion, that doesn't mean that you're an expert. Like for me, for an expert, like you actually learn like from an expert, like either like from a vocal coach or like a music instructor or something like that. That I can take that into consideration, taking that their criticism personally towards me. But with these kind of events, I don't hold it personally, because we don't have like a lot of Hmong people who are very have the musical backgrounds to this kind of thing. So things are the way they are, so we're just gonna leave them in the past. So because frankly speaking, the judges that we have in the past until now are just either like just our OGs or some young adults, you know, who are just there to listen but probably doesn't have like a lot of music backgrounds, and they just probably listen to what they like and what their preference may be. So that's what it is. So I don't blame them, and yeah, like I said, I don't take it personally. So because they just don't have that knowledge and background. So what can I say? What can I do? You know. So like I say, congratulate to all the winners for singing and dancing. I guess it just wasn't meant to be, and that's cool of it. It was a fun experience, but like I said again, my highlight of the event was when everybody was like dancing together, and I don't know what to do. Like, I don't know, this was part of the program that I signed up for. Suddenly they just say, everybody get up, go to the stage and dance, blah blah blah. I was like, what do I do? Like, who do I copy with? And suddenly, like, I see my sister and two other people like started dancing already. I was like, do I follow them or something? Like, I mean, they're like going accordingly, like in sync. And I was like, did they plan all of this like without us knowing or without me knowing? Because I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, I'm just like so embarrassed up here, and it's still on live too. And I just realized that they were looking at a person like on the floor way up front. We were supposed to follow that dancer and do whatever they do. I was like, oh, okay then, so that makes more sense. It was easy for me to follow, you know, being a dancer myself, it was easier for me to catch up. But it was when until like they changed the music entirely into like a whole different step dance. I was like, you know, I gotta get out. I don't want to embarrass myself. So I was like, yeet, walk off stage. Who knows if I were to participate again in the future, but let's see what the future holds. But hopefully it won't be my last vlog. Maybe with future vlogs with something else, so look forward to that too. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.